what better way to start this episode? Tonight we're gonna draw. What better way to draw this next character? Sorry, voice malfunction. What better way than to start this episode by drawing Sun Wukong, which is Chinese for Monkey King. Humble apologies. Monkey Goo's been using the flute of monkey chatter again. And it's been messing with my voice. Anyhow, the Monkey King, basically one of the strongest allies for the Nihao Kailan series. And basically, he watches over the land and prevents danger from entering the country. He made his first appearance on the Season 2 finale of Nihao Kailan, and made his return on the Season 3 hour-long premiere. Here's his bow staff, which he otherwise known as what he calls a magic stick. But mostly, I call it a power pole. It has the power to create illusions and project images. Nothing's better than drawing the Monkey King. Now we draw the Monkey King's shoes. And lastly, his cape. It's finally finished. There he is. That's how you draw the Monkey King. That's all for now. Please like, remark, and subscribe to my channel. And be on the lookout for more characters on the way. And sorry I had to redo this. I made the crown a bit too short. But wow, he looks awesome. We'll get to see him again real soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.